So I just got a new watch in the mail. I'm gonna unbox it together with you. So, okay, that's nice. Yep, it's a Lorier. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Lorier. It's a combination, I think, of the names of the couple who run and own this micro brand. I think it's Lauren and Lorenzo. Hope I got that right. And yeah, that's the box, the outer box. It's nice. Let's see. And the inside. Ooh, this is not a new watch. It's used. I bought it off the secondary market. Someone who, according to him, only wore it once, so I'm supposed to have like a brand new watch. Well, let's see. Some nice branded packaging thing, and it's a nice watch roll, and bum bum bum. Sorry. Okay, that's nice. Ooh. Nice. Wow, it looks much, I mean, it looks great. It's a very photogenic watch in the photos, but up close, on personal, in the flesh, it looks absolutely smashing. Smashing, baby. Wow. It's a little chunky, but I think it works. I like the lugs, nice beveling here, signed crown, which is correctly positioned, something that companies like Rolex don't do. Ah, drill lugs, that's nice. Didn't know it had drill lugs. Wow. What else? The bracelet is really nice. It feels, I like how it, the bracelet is very nice to touch. I like how each link is like, I don't know how to describe it, but you can see, like, I don't know, each link is separate, how it just melts on my finger and on my wrist, I suppose. And very nice clasp, It's a milled clasp, very nice action, tuck tuck. It feels very, I wouldn't say Omega-esque, but it's high quality. And I like the signed clasp. It's really nice, this Lorier logo. So the watch is 39 millimeters diameter, and lug to lug I think it's 48 millimeters, which is a great size. Lug width is 20 millimeters, and I think it tapers down to 16. The crown is chunky, but I like it. Reminds me of the Tudor Black Bay. And yeah, the case is chunky. It houses the NH35, Seiko's Walkhorse movement. And from what the experience I've had with this movement, it's very accurate and sturdy. Let's see the bezel action. Nice. It's quite hard to turn. I mean, it's not hard, but it's not as easy as others. Clicking's nice. There's very minimal backplay. It's 120 clicks. It's really nice to, I mean, I like that the bezel is not that easy to rotate. It's a coin-edged bezel, You know, if you were diving, then you would want it to turn slower so it doesn't go over too much. The crystal, some say, is a weak point of the watch because it's acrylic, but I don't know, I like it. I think it adds to the vintage vibe, and you know, you can cut poly watch and get rid of the scratches easily, and it also adds character to the watch. I think that's it for now. I'll see how it wears on my wrist. So here it is on my around 7-inch wrist. Yeah, it wears very well. As always, the mobile phone camera makes it look like it wears larger, but it doesn't. It wears very well. Feels great on the wrist. As I said, the links on the wrist are just great to I don't know, to feel them, to like how they're just right, how they conform to your wrist. And the lugs are quite long, but again, it wears very well in the flesh. Like the clasp, and yeah, it's sized exactly for my around 7-inch wrist. I like a little jiggle, as you may have seen in my prior videos. And I think that's it for now. I'll show you a loom shot. Just a sec. So this is the loom. It's blue. That's a very nice touch. Not much to say about it. I really like it. It's not as strong, but then again, there isn't much sun right now. It's it's about the evening, so can't really test it, and I don't have a good flashlight, but I'm sure that the loom will deliver. That's it. So thanks for watching, and maybe I'll do another video about it later on. Thanks for watching. See ya.